Hey everybody, Sharon here. And today I'm out in the woods. It's a little bit cool, but it is gorgeous for being January. And what I did was I went out and picked a whole bunch of grapevine that grow up in the trees. It grows like wild here, and it's everywhere. So instead of fighting with it, I'm going to do something with it. So come on with me. I'm going to show you how you can make a very unique organic light in just a day with some simple tools. So come on along with me. I think you'll like it. So the reason I'm making this is for our rental vacation cabin, which is not anywhere near ready for it. But I've already made some other lights like this torch light from a cedar log, this chandelier from sassafras, and some other lighting with antiques. And then this one I'm still working on with sassafras branches. But anyway, I needed something to go above the sink. Now this is our house, but it'll look pretty similar to the cabin. So one day when I was out in the woods, I look at a lot of things in the woods, but anyway, I was looking at all the grapevines and I thought, wonder if I could make something out of them. I mean, we have tons of them. I'm not worried about, making them go extinct. So literally all you need is what's in this can here. And I started out with just a $6 garbage can, 7 inches, some hot glue sticks. I find the Gorilla ones are the best. Also some Mod Podge, and I used matte finish instead of glossy. And then for safety, some clear satin, which is high temp. Also some grapevine wire. You can buy that at craft stores. And then just a mini pendant light. You can get it anywhere. And then, your bulb, whatever you want. I was going to go with, one of the LEDs for safety, so it's not so hot. So what I did when I got the grapevines picked, kind of curled them up in, like little circles. But then I put them in a bucket with some hot water and just left them sit in there and steam so they'd be a little bit more bendable. And I didn't really record this, but I just basically started wrapping around. I had to kind of tie some in with each other, but just played with it until I got the shape I wanted. For the top part, I just put some braces across because I wanted to pull the pendant light up through the bottom. And so it's basically suspended by those top branches there. So once I had the shape that I wanted, I kind of played around with it, moved a few things. It's not perfectly round shape, but hey, it's natural. So I got some Mod Podge and I did dilute it a little bit and then just started spreading it all over the grapevine. Now, you could probably spray it. You could probably dip it. I just happened to have a brush and use that. And then once it was dry, I used that flame-proof varnish, and that's a satin. And that's actually for like automotive and high-temp equipment. So with the LED light, you don't want to put a regular light in there because of the heat, but it should be fine with that. So since I don't have the place to hang it yet, I wanted to make sure it worked. So I just attached it to an extension cord and because it is hardwired otherwise. So I plugged it in the garage, hung it up there just to see once what it would look like, look at the shape. I did a little trimming. There was like that one branch sticking out there. So once I was done with the final product, I just took it back in the house and, since I don't have the cabin to actually put it in yet, I just took, that picture again and I overlaid that lamp, that pendant, and yeah, that's kind of what it'll look like. You got to use your imagination. So thanks for watching. This was a super fun, easy project. I already have some other ones planned, different shapes, but appreciate you joining me and, just get out there, get outside, get out in nature. You never know what you're going to see, what you're going to find. Heck, you might find some grapevines too. So thanks for joining, and I will catch you on the next video.